There's another cool product that Bell+Howell sent to me. It's a socket fan light, 1000 lumens, 2-in-1 LED light fan. This thing is gonna be cool. It's a socket. It also has a socket extender, and it's no wires or anything. It has a remote, and it has LED technology. So this thing is gonna be pretty nice. Let's go install it and check it out. There it is. I installed this in my garage. We're gonna look at it, take a look. Zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna take a better look. There it is. It's very cool. It actually comes with a cool remote as well. Place to hang it. And we're gonna see, it's got different settings. And you can turn it off. You can turn on the light. The light has different dimming settings, and the fan also does. So let's check it out. Yeah, very cool. It's high power now when you put it on high. Let's get a better look. Let me turn it off. You see the difference. There it is. It's small, but it's mighty. There's also an extender if you need it to be lower. You can turn it on without a light. See how fast that sucker is? And then the light has different modes. It's pretty bright too. So very impressed. Very high power. Very cool.